In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on TikTok using a business account, a powerful way to engage with your audience in real time. Going live on TikTok can significantly boost your online presence, allowing you to interact with your followers instantly, answer questions, and showcase your brand in a new light. Let's dive into how you can set up and start your first live stream on TikTok with a business account. First off, you'll need to access TikTok. You can do this by going to the official TikTok website on your web browser. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see various options for logging in. For a seamless experience, especially if you're already using Google for your business operations, click on Continue with Google. This option streamlines the process by connecting your existing Google account to TikTok, eliminating the need for creating a new account from scratch. After you click on this, you'll be prompted to select an account. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your business. This step is crucial as it directly links your TikTok business activities with the correct Google account, ensuring all your business-related content is organized under one roof. Once you've selected your Google account, you'll be asked to confirm your selection. Click on Continue to proceed. This action authorizes TikTok to access certain information from your Google account, making your login process straightforward and hassle-free. After successfully logging in, navigate to your TikTok homepage. Now it's time to access the creator tools specifically designed for content creators and business accounts. You'll find the option to do this by simply hovering over your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you should click on Creator Tools. This section of TikTok is geared towards providing you with analytics, insights, and features that cater to content creators, including the option to initiate a live stream. Within the Creator Tools, locate and select Live Studio. Live Studio is TikTok's proprietary streaming dashboard that offers a plethora of live streaming features, giving you control over your live session's look, feel, and functionality. It's designed to help you deliver professional quality live streams to your audience. Before you can start streaming, you'll need to download the Live Studio software. If you're using a Windows computer, click on Download for Windows. This step is vital as the software equips you with the necessary tools and functionalities to manage your live stream effectively, including but not limited to broadcasting quality, viewer interactions, and stream analytics. After downloading and installing Live Studio, you're all set to embark on your TikTok live streaming journey. Remember, going live is a fantastic opportunity to connect with your audience on a personal level. Before hitting that live button, ensure your setup is optimized for best performance. Good lighting, clear audio, and a reliable internet connection are key to a successful live stream. Also, take a moment to think about the content of your live session. Interactive sessions such as Quandas, behind-the-scenes looks, product demonstrations, or simply engaging conversations about topics relevant to your audience can significantly enhance viewer participation and overall experience. Engaging content encourages interaction, making your live session a two-way conversation that adds value to your viewers and fosters a stronger connection with your brand. Lastly, promote your live session in advance. Use your TikTok account and other social media platforms to let your audience know when you'll be going live. This not only builds anticipation, but also ensures a higher turnout, making your live session a success. Going live on TikTok with a business account opens up a world of interaction and engagement with your audience. By following these steps, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of live streaming and elevating your TikTok presence. Remember, each live session is an opportunity to showcase your brand's uniqueness and build deeper connections with your audience. Happy streaming.